shoot me, for fuck's sakes. I wish I'd
played
never
bingo
found
now.
this
Oh,
motherfucker.
where is mine? Oh, I found it. I can't pull it out on here.
Oh, yeah, okay, I got you. That's not bingo. I mean, just sit around and fucking play bingo all day. What kind of miserable motherfucking person is this?
My mom and dad play bingo a lot.
Well, you've made them
Like,
fucking
no,
miserable.
no,
This is your
like,
fault.
they do it
This is-
like-
this is your fucking
They do it like the
fault.
Friday or Saturday deal or
That's
whatever.
bingo where everybody hangs out. This is a fucking card. This is a card. You scratch off shit. I'm in a card. I don't even know why I done this to myself. I found this in my truck. I get in here and I'm like, I'm gonna scratch this off. Everybody was tired and shit. I'm around people I give a shit to hang out with, and here I am scratching off a fucking bingo card. How bad you gotta hate everybody around you to sit and scratch this fucking goddamn bingo card off? You know what I'm saying? Just sit here, you know. I mean, fuck all y'all. You know, just like sitting here. Yeah,
Well,
whatever. This is what I'm doing at Thanksgiving next year. Buying a bunch of fucking bingo cards. I just sit around and have something to do besides fucking with people.
I mean, I tell you what, if you don't want it, we can pull up to the next homeless bum and you can just hand that to them. If it's a winner, let it
Man,
be. If
fuck
it ain't,
them
it ain't.
motherfuckers. I ain't giving them my goddamn. I stole this fair and square. They ain't
So,
getting it.
he didn't steal it, it was left in his truck.
If it's left in my truck, it's mine. That's
And
the way it is.
what got this started, the reason we even started recording, was we pulled up to an intersection and there's a milk crate sitting there. And was it yesterday?
It was yesterday because I drove the same trip yesterday twice. And
He's in a hurry.
That guy's in a hurry. And I pull up to 113 Paris Pike exit in Lexington, and we're sitting there right beside the guy. We're right beside this guy, and he's sitting on a milk crate. And he's got a sign like, "I've got a one-legged dog and a three-legged kid. I need $1 for whatever," which is fine if you're homeless or whatever. That's on you. That's no big deal. But the trick is, it's on you. You know what I mean? And it's not on me. But anyways, I'm sitting there. And I'm in my truck and I've got my window up and I'm trying not to make eye contact with this guy, and not because he's a bad person, just because it's no, it's straight on. It's straight on. Just watch for that white sign again. That little white blue sign. Just take that exit. But so I'm sitting there, you know, and I'm just, like I said, being a piece of shit. I'm trying not to make eye contact with the guy. You know what I'm saying? I'm just looking down and I hear somebody go, "Hey, what the fuck are you doing?" And I look over at my window, and there's this other bum dude, I'm assuming, calling him a bum because that's what they were doing. They had a sign like, "Please give me money." And he's like, "What the fuck are you doing?" He's like, "I'm sitting here, what are you doing?" He's like, "That's my crate." He's like, "It's public property." He's like, "The crate's not public property. I just went to the store." And the dude's like, "Well, this ain't your fucking corner. You don't own this corner." And he's like, "That's my fucking sign." I'm the guy's like, and he don't have nothing to say. The next thing you know, they're both over in the grass, and I drove away. I wish I'd have stayed. I'm sure there was a lot of cussing and screaming, and
Well,
I think they split a cheeseburger. Everything was good, but I'm not 100% sure.
but the milk crate was there, and
today,
he wasn't.
yeah, today, it was still there when we drove by, and I was telling the
So
story.
that guy's marking his territory.
He's marking his territory. He's better peeing on it.
Yeah. I was getting ready to say that. I was going to say, you know, he could have peed on it.
Yeah, he could have just peed on the corner. I think he tried that the first day, and it didn't work.
Oh my God. Could you imagine
I'm imagining the homeless guy sitting down and was like, "That's not my piss. That's not my piss."
It's not mine.
He like, "No, it's not me."
Does that smell like anthrax?
That's George. Get that fuck out of here. You know, it's Harry the homeless man. Which, I mean, I hate it for y'all if you're homeless. I give homeless people money all the time. I just don't give it to the ones that are begging for it. It's not my thing. I just don't.
Nice to revive yourself there.
Well, no, and there was, like, the other day there was one over here, and we're in Lexington, and it's horrible, right? It's not as bad as Louisville, because y'all suck, but it's bad, you know what I'm saying? And there's this guy got one leg, right? You know how I know he's got one leg? It's wintertime, he's got pants on. How would I know he's got one leg? Because he has rolled his pant leg up on one side and has the most badass red, white, and blue leg I've ever seen in my life. And in my brain, I'm like, dude, that's like a $70,000 leg.
In 2 miles, take exit 5 beyond to US 60 West toward Versailles.
I mean, I ain't giving no guy $1. It's got a damn graffitied up American flag, leg, you know, all this shit. And he's like, his sign was like, "I was almost a veteran once." And I was like, what the fuck is this bullshit? You know?
How are you almost?
I don't know.
I almost signed up.
I think he signed up and they wouldn't let him go. He was like, "I was almost a veteran." I was like, man. And I hate the idea of, for real, that people go serve our country and get shot at and blowed up and they end up on the side of the road. You know what I mean? That really does suck. But these people out here that are pretending to be that should go to jail.
I'm pretty sure that there was a guy in Lexington that was famous, and they ended up running him out, and
Yeah, that's it.
Use the right lane to take exit 5B onto US 60 West toward Versailles.
Oh man.
Oh my God, naked cowboy guy. Never.
He was in his underwear playing. They kicked him out of Florida. It was a big deal. I'm not going to say her name. I mean his name. I mean their name. The person that's their child.
Take the exit.
Yeah. How about that?
I told you watch for the blue lights on.
Yeah, it wasn't. I was watching you. You're funny as hell.
I'm not that funny. I'm just telling the truth.
So, yeah. I've never looked up the naked gay cowboy or whatever
I
it was.
hadn't either. He was all over the internet.
Have you, what was that? What space movie came out in 92?
I said,
No. If you didn't know, look up.
In about 6 miles, take a slight right turn to merge onto Bluegrass Parkway toward Lawrenceburg.
Put it in the comments. I want to tell you, but I can't say it on here.
I can.
No.
Oh, okay. Well, we must.
Do you know them? Do you know it?
I think so.
I hope you don't. For the sake of this ride
No,
to this race.
unless there was another Star Wars that came out then, and there wasn't.
No, there
I don't
wasn't
have
nothing to do with
no
Star
idea.
Wars.
Or if it was Spaceballs.
It
that
was
on there.
definitely had balls in it.
Oh no.
Yeah.
No.
JoJo, you looking it up?
No, you better not be.
Go ahead and look it up. Just
I'm
look,
looking at
what space movie came out in 92?
Let
No,
me see.
man, you gotta.
I'll look it up. I'm gonna look it up. I don't want to know, but I'm gonna look it up anyway. My interest has been piqued.
This camera's like. Hope I don't give y'all a stroke. If you stick around.
Oh, that's funny. Oh, that's a bad one. I cannot say that on here either. I mean, I can.
I
but
mean,
I'm gonna
you
piss
can't
a lot
say it,
of
but
you
maybe
off.
you can zoom it, or I can show it. Like,
I don't want to. I don't want to. It's
just know that my phone's recording, and he googled it on his phone.
that
What
is
was
true.
Now I'm
it?
curious.
Oh man, I wouldn't have known that if it wasn't because of Facebook.
You know that because you're a piece of shit. You know that? You're a piece of shit.
Wow, way to just fucking stab me in the chest, not in the back or anything.
I'm not gonna hide from this stuff.
Oh my god. I really hope all the music in the background don't copyright me. It don't matter.
Yeah, yeah. What are you gonna lose all 9 of your
Yeah.
followers?
Yeah.
Fucking.
I think we're up to 1,500 right now.
Really?
Like,
That's
feel
good.
better. You know, you can fix that.
Only
This is all
you. Only you can prevent forest fires and like Brandon's fucking video.
We need to do a little in the arms.
Stay in the middle 3 lanes.
I did an arms of an angel video, making fun of a car that was like really needing help from everybody, and I donated like 48 cents to it in the video.
Once again, piece
I
of
got
shit. Once again. Yeah.
I got copyrighted, and that video is not allowed to play in China, Japan, Russia, or England, I think.
Good thing we're not any of those places.
So I'm like, I really don't care if anybody.
Don't worry, Australia. Y'all can still see it.
So, in the arms of an angel, don't use that audio for anything.
If you're in England or Russia or any of the places that.
Yeah, it was a severe strike on my account, and you don't get 2 of those.
Oh, is that right?
No.
Well, soon we'll be releasing a video to tell you what new account to like whenever dumbass release another video that's copyrighted.
Oh my god, my head is hurting. I've never laughed so hard. This is gonna be a great day. In this next video, we're heading to Cash Days. We'll see you there.